A very good morning to everyone. It is time for your GK class and we are going to start with our previous chapter, our country. In previous video, you have seen about our country and today we will complete its bookwork as we said in previous video. So, let's start. Chapter name is Our Country and chapter number is chapter 29. Okay. So today we will do the question answer of your chapter. You will complete first of all open page number 44 in your book. After that you can see there is total 12 questions in your book related to this chapter. See, there are total 12 questions. You have to answer it and it is very basic questions related to your country. So today we will do it in our book only. No one will write in copy. You have to write in your book. There is space. You can see each and every question below. There is a line. You have to write over there only. Okay. So start. I am not going to write question because already it is written here. I will read only and will write the answer on board. You just have to see this and write it in your book. So let's start with the first answer. Answer number 1. The first question is, what is the name of our country? As we all know very well that our country, we live in India. Our country's name is India. So write the answer. Name of our country is India. Okay, write the answer. Name of our country is India. Or you can write India is the name of our country. Both answer will be right. Now coming to the next question. Question number 2. And I will write the answer. Who is the Prime Minister of our India? You know, he is the very popular personality nowadays and his name is Mr. Narendra Modi. Our Mr. Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi, or you can write that Prime Minister of our country is Mr. Narendra Modi. Both answer will be correct. Coming to the next question number 3. Answer number 3. We will write the answer number 3. So, which is the national anthem of our country? National anthem is our country is Jana Gana Mana. You have seen it your previous video that our national anthem is Jana Gana, sorry, it will be in capital. Jana Gana Mana. In the school, before starting our classes, we organize a assembly. In assembly, at the last, we all sing Jana Gana Mana together. Answer 3. Answer 4 is, which is the national song of our country? Which is the national song of our country? This is our national anthem. Vande Mataram is the national song of our country. Vande Mataram. Have you heard this song ever? Vande Mataram Sujlam Suflam Malayaj Sheetalam. This is the national song of our country. Write this 4 answer first of all. After that, I will move to next. We will complete the further questions. Question number 5. We have completed total 4 questions. Now we will moving to next. Question number 5. What is the capital of India? What is the capital of our country? New Delhi is the capital of our country. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Now, question number 6 is, name any 2 of our neighboring countries. It means country which is belongs to our neighborhood. So, our 2 neighboring countries are, first Nepal and Bhutan. We are writing only 2 because in question is asking for 2 countries only, but many more countries are there in our neighborhood like Pakistan, Myanmar, China, etc. There are many more countries are there. So moving to the next question number 7. Question number 7 is, which is the national fruit of our country? Our favorite, the yellow color fruit is called, which is national fruit, is mango. Yes. Mango is our national fruit. We have already discussed about the national things of our country in our previous video. Now, question number 8. Question number 8 is name national tree. You know the name of national tree of our country? Anyone? Any guesses? National tree? Neither it is mango nor it is people name. You know the very big tree which has long roots hanging with their stem. You know? Banyan tree, which we call bargad in Hindi also. Banyan tree. Banyan tree. Just write banyan tree because the question is very short. Name the national tree only. Banyan tree. That's all. You can write banyan tree is our national tree. Like this way. But I am writing only banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. So, I am going to rub it. If anyone left, you can reverse the video and can write the answer. And I will post the picture of this work also. So no need to worry about that. I have not completed my work. In online classes, this is the our plus point that we can complete our work anytime. So no need to worry. You can complete it whenever you get time or whenever you get the network. Now moving to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is name the national flower. National flower, we know very well about it. Lotus. Lotus is the national flower of our country. You can write only lotus or you can write like this. Lotus is the national flower of our country. You can write in this way also. You can write only lotus or you can write the complete answer. Okay? Now, coming to the next, question number 10. Question number 10 is name any 2 rivers of our country. There are many holy rivers in our country. We will write only 2. Ganga, first of all Ganga and Narmada. Narmada is river of our country. There are Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Narmada, Brahmaputra, lots of holy rivers in our country. But we are writing only 2, Ganga and Narmada. If you remember Yamuna, you can write Yamuna also in your examination. Answer 11. Moving to the next. Answer 11. In which city do you live? In which city do you live? It means we live in VARANASI. We live Varanasi. Where do you live? We live in Varanasi. Which the place we live in have to write there. Means where we live, the place or the name of that place we have to write. In currently time we live in Varanasi. So you will write the answer, we live in Varanasi. Now coming to the last question, question number 12. Which are the places that you have visited around your city? This question will be completed by yourself. I am not going to write because everyone's answer will be different. Your answer will be according to you. So we have completed this chapter's question answer in today's class. Now you will write in your book over here. Now I am giving homework to you also. You can see there is some worksheet in the back of your book. At the last of your book, there is some worksheet. You can see, isn't it? There are few work you have to complete in this worksheet. There are from 1 to 21. Don't see from behind. There is answer sheet of this worksheet. Don't look at it. Just complete it by yourself by using your mind. You have to complete the worksheet number 1, worksheet number 2 and worksheet number 3. You have to complete the 3 worksheets as homework. I am writing homework here. Complete worksheet 1, 2 and 3. You have to complete 3 worksheets only. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, after completing this worksheet, you can send the pictures to me or your parents can check by this answer sheet, with the help of this answer sheet. So today we have completed today's class. We will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.